Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on HP Compaq 17. So first open the right bottom panel, enable the airplane mode, then disable it a couple of seconds later and disable the Wi-Fi. Now open the Wi-Fi and more Wi-Fi settings, enable it and try to connect to your network. If it's not working, then Network and Internet, click on it, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings and Network Reset and reset now. You can see that your Windows will be shut down in 5 minutes. When you open the right bottom panel, you can see the Wi-Fi in here, so just manually you can restart your PC and give me a couple of seconds. I'll be back when the PC is back again. Okay, so I'm back, then click here, the Wi-Fi is back on, open it and try to connect with one. The Wi-Fi is not saved right now, so you need to put in the password once again. If it's not working still for you, then try to just reset the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.